Okay, now let's look at the discounts rather. So discounts come about every time when our suppliers or our customers have paid, or we have paid the amounts that we are supposed to pay, or our customers were supposed to pay on time, or we can call it prompt, meaning when we pay our suppliers on time, they shall give us a discount. And if our customers pay us on time, rather daters pay us on time on the goods that they collected on credit, we must give them a discount in form of a percentage or in form of the amount. Now, we have two types of these discounts. We have the allowed and the received. Let's talk about the discount allowed. So the discount allowed, one thing you have to know is that on the discount allowed, it is us as a company who gives our customers, rather the daters, a discount on the goods that they collected, knowing that they have paid on time. For the discount received, our suppliers, or rather our creditors, are the ones who give us this discount, okay, provided that we had paid them on time. So now, let us talk about the discount allowed in depth. So the discount allowed, one tip that I shall tell you about the discount allowed is that, okay, the discount allowed, one, it is an expense. Two, it has a debit balance. Three, it goes on the debit side of the trial balance. Now let's talk about why is it an expense. Discount allowed is an expense due to the fact that if, for example, our customers were supposed to pay us a 10,000 kwacha and we give them a 10% discount, which means our customers no longer pay a 10,000 kwacha, but then they will pay a 9,900. Now that amount, 100 kwacha that they won't pay, it is us, the business, that will top up on that amount so that it becomes a 10,000 kwacha. And this 100,000 kwacha is an expense to the business because we are going to lose out 100,000 kwacha. And remember that all expenses are debited in the trial balance. The moment you give a discount to your customers, you have to have a debit entry in your accounts, okay, and it will have a debit balance, and that debit balance will go to the trial balance the way it is. So to each and every discount allowed, there must be a customer. Let us look at the discount received. The discount received is actually the opposite of what we are talking about, which is the discount allowed. The discount received is an income. It has a credit balance and it goes on the credit side of the trial balance. Why is it an income? For example, we are supposed to pay our suppliers a 10 kwacha, and our suppliers say, since you've paid on time, we are going to reduce your payment to 10%, which means we are going to pay a 9 kwacha instead of a 10 kwacha, right? Now that 1 kwacha that we won't pay, to our suppliers becomes an income to us, and we're going to record them into the discount received account, and on the credit side of the discount received, and you find out that our our balance brought down will be a credit balance, and that one kwacha that we had, according to this example, will be transferred on the credit side of the trial balance. So this is what the discount received and discount allowed is all about. So these are just tips on the discount allowed and discount received. This is how you treat them anywhere in accounts.